Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Cinema Space 4K. Today we are going to unbox this Philips torchlight with a emergency light on the side. So without wasting much time, let's unbox the package. The first thing you get is the flashlight, of course, and inside the package you get a cord to charge the flashlight. This is just a standard AC to AC power cord and a service strap. But I also expected a warranty card and a user manual, but there's none. If you want to claim the warranty, I think you have to bring the invoice copy with it. Now, there are 4 flash modes. One is standard flash mode, one is low light mode, next is the side emergency light mode, and 4th is the SOS light mode, which just blinks the flashlight. So I have used this flashlight for some time and here's my review. As you can see, the headlight is bright, but the headlight is as bright as the side light. The side light is advertised as 2 watts and the headlight is advertised as 15 watts. Either Philips is fooling its customers or the LED on the headlight is very inefficient. However, this brightness is suitable for most people. I don't think there's a need for more brightness. The battery life for the testing was excellent. But for the price of 1500 rupees, I cannot recommend this flashlight. Better go with some cheaper Chinese alternatives, which could give better battery life and better LED for less than 1000 rupees. So that's my initial review and opinion about this Philips flashlight. Thanks for watching. See you again in our next video.